So at the moment, what we've got set up is dual timing gates, photo gates set up, both of those connected back to the main control unit. We've got the ramp set up here. We're going to put that on a bit of a slope here, all good. And then we'll configure the module to give us what we're looking for.
The system can now be configured using the button interface. Please select an operating mode. Press the middle button to select an option. Press either of the side buttons to load that mode.
So as I said before, if we had this unit conveniently connected up to the computer, we could just quickly go dual gate timing mode. I want you to speak the data, just measure the intervals or the durations, and send or don't send the information back to the computer. So that could be done that way. But again, we can do all of it through the interface here.
You have selected single gate timing mode. You have selected dual gate timing mode.
Okay, so we've got dual gate timing mode. That's what we want to use.
Dual gate timing mode is loaded. Press the middle button to select an option. Press either side button to confirm that option.
So again, the hierarchy of menus is the same for the single and the dual gate. What reporting options?
Speak the data.
That's what we want for the moment.
The system has been configured to only speak the data. Now press the middle button to select data capture options. Then press either side button to confirm that option.
So for this setup, we might want to measure the duration that the ball takes to get through each gate and the interval. I think all of that would be of interest.
Measure only the interval between interruptions. Measure only the duration of the interruption. Measure both the interval between interruptions and the duration.
So we want to go with the both option.
The system has been configured to record both the intervals and durations of it. Now press the middle button to select options for how many trials to collect. Then press either side button to confirm that option.
So for the moment, we might still just run with repeat single trials.
Record a single event. Single event mode is confirmed.
So we've got the ramp set up. We've got the photo gates 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 millimeters apart, half a meter. The ramp, we could measure the angle if we wanted. And we've got the system configured to go and tell us both the duration of obstruction and the interval. I won't use the extra ramp here, but to start the ball from here, level with this bracket, and we'll see what we get. Will the duration of the interruptions be the same? We'll find out.
The system is ready.
Make sure the system's ready first.
The interval was 0.82 seconds. The duration was 71.22 milliseconds. The duration was 29.28 milliseconds. Press either of the side buttons to run a new trial.
So we've got information about the time it took for the ball to get between the two photo gates, about 0.8 something of a second. The two durations you hear, the first one is the duration through the first gate. The second duration value you get back is the duration through the second gate. So through the first one, it was about 70 milliseconds. The duration through the second gate was about, I think, 20 milliseconds. So moving much, much faster. And so we could set this up, trial it at different distances. We can set the ramp to a different slope and see what that effect has. We could start the ball from different positions. We could even give it extra acceleration down this additional ramp, what effect would that have? Would it change the relationships down here? So there's a lot that could be explored. We'll just do that one more time.
The system is ready. The interval was 0.81 seconds.
So
The
0.8.
duration was 69.66 milliseconds.
So just under 70 milliseconds.
The duration was 29.09 milliseconds. Press either of the side buttons to run a new trial.
So just under 70 milliseconds, just under 30 milliseconds. And without that equipment, there'd be no way, even with stopwatches and a visual process, would you be able to get those timings to that level of precision.